Yo, it's time to just kidding. It's time to leave. To the Rockies. Adventure time! How about we run last year's packing footage? Okay, and now add some epic music to it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, go back to the beginning.
Ooh, that's good. Oh, I really like that. Wow, this is actually so epic. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay.
Don't worry, the next video will have the new packing content and I'm gonna try and lapse the entire drive. I hope you enjoy it. So I actually tried to make the next overlanding video about recovery gear and tools, but I didn't have enough time to get it all done before I had to leave. Which is good anyways, because I want that video to be proper and accurate for you guys. Oh, and thank you guys so much for supporting me on my coffee donation page, as well as not skipping these YouTube ads. I think at least half of all viewers either have ad block or they just completely skip it. Honestly, it helps so much if you just watch it all the way through. And because of your help, I was able to get the new GoPro Hero 9, which has a stability feature, Hyper Smooth, that I've been looking forward to using. So there's gonna be a whole bunch of that driving footage and it's gonna be so clean, I promise you. It's gonna be great. Anyways, watch for random posts throughout the week. I'll be vlogging the entire journey all the way to the Rockies. There's so much epic to come, folks. I'll catch you guys in the next one.